The latest thing on the market that I like to use for high-end woodworking joints is Gorilla Wood Glue. It's a water-based glue, and let me show you some tips here. This is a biscuit joint right here where I cut slots for biscuits. What I like to do is lay a good bead of this water-based glue on one edge, and I rub it out with the other edge, and that spreads out the glue. If there is an area that needs a little bit more glue on it, I just use a scrap stick, press it out. And also, it's really important that you have a couple of drops of glue in each of the biscuit slots. If there is one thing about this, you need to remember that you want just the right amount of glue on there. You want a little bit of squeeze out, not too much. Now I put the biscuits right in there and right on center, and then I bring it together with the other slots. You can see the alignment lines here and here. That means it's on center, and I press them together like that, and then I draw them tight with the clamps. And if there is one mistake that people make when they clamp, they apply too much pressure and they starve the joint of glue. That's too much. Back it down just a hair. Okay, and then other side. Okay, line her up. And here's what you want. See that bead right there? You want just a little bit of squeeze out there. Let that cure, go back 20 minutes to half an hour, bevel side down of a chisel, take this all off in one pass, but it has to cure first. Now here's another application. Dovetails. Here are the pin sockets, and that is the dovetail right there. Lay some glue on it. Use the scrap stick to size that joint, spread the glue out, just like that. And I can promise you this is the strongest wood glue I think I've ever used. In fact, I know it is. And dries a neutral color, so that makes the glue joints virtually disappear, which is a wonderful thing, because in fine craftsmanship, it is the joints that you look at. Now I'll let that cure out, use a chisel, pare off the excess, and I'll tell you what, great stuff.